So you just got the Beard Hedger from Manscaped and want to take it for a spin. But before you get to trimming that handsome face of yours, let's go over the basics. The Beard Hedger comes with a travel pouch, a USB-C cable, and an AC adapter. First, you'll want to make sure you charge it fully before using it. The LED indicator shows how much charge you have on the device. Once that bad boy is juiced up, slide the power button up to power it on and back down to power it off. To adjust the trim and comb length, turn the zoom wheel to choose from 20 length settings ranging from 0.5mm to 10mm. To remove the trimming comb, make sure the trimmer is powered off. The comb can be removed at any setting. Hold it by its sides and gently wiggle it out. To reinstall the trimming comb, gently press it into the slots, clips first, until it clicks. All right, it's go time. For a comfortable trim, place the flat side of the trimming head against your skin. Make another pass if necessary to trim your entire beard. For contouring, hold the trimming head perpendicular to the skin and move the trimming head upwards or downwards with gentle pressure. To clean the device, remove comb and rinse underwater. Remove the blade by pressing against the top of the blade and push forward until the blade snaps out of the trimmer. Rinse parts under the faucet, then let parts air dry. Grab the blade and align it into the device. Press in until the blade snaps into place. Reattach the comb, then store the dry trimmer in its case. For more beard grooming goodness, go to manscaped.com and check out the Beard Hedger Pro Kit, which includes all the styling products and tools you need to craft and maintain the perfect beard.